Good morning. Wednesday, April 22nd. Halfway through the week and only one more week to go. How awesome is that? So, I'm trying a new recording app today. It's called Screencastify. You can see me and my screen, which might be helpful. On my website, Learning from Home page, you can see all the posted assignments. Week 5, for example, is the one we're in now. And if you look at the list of assignments by day, and it also tells you which ones are graded. I'm grading 2 assignments for each week. This is a great place to figure out which assignments have been graded and which ones are for enrichment. Okay, so for today, if you go to Google Classroom, your assignments are also listed there. And if you look at Wednesday, April 22nd, you can see that this is also a graded assignment. So let's talk about what you need to do for today. Today is a synthesis activity. So you're taking the information that you have from the articles and then you are putting it together in a new way. Okay, so if you need to, first thing you need to do is reread the article, The History of Teeth, and then you come over to the quiz. So I went ahead and did the first one for you. It says in the directions that you should answer the questions below to synthesize information from the history of teeth and where are the dentists. After each question, check the sources to support your answer. So the question was, up until the 19th century, what did people believe caused cavities? Well, if you read the article, it says tooth worms. There's even a heading that gives you a clue, worms in your teeth, right down here. So I put in, they believed tooth worms, sorry about that, and then I checked the box that says the history of teeth. So that's all you have to do for this one. Like the last quiz for vocabulary that you took on Monday, it's asking you to type a response. And if you type something funny in that box, it's automatically going to mark it wrong. So I'll grade it and then I'll send it back to you and release the score. For the vocabulary for Monday, I've already released your score. So have a great day. And remember, next week's the last week, and anything you haven't completed by next Friday, you need to complete by the 15th, and all this will go towards your final grade. All right, have a good one. Talk to you later.